How to resize image in Photopea. Hi guys, welcome once again to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be putting you through how you can resize image in Photopea. Now to resize image in Photopea is simple. Just follow me as I show you how to do so in this tutorial. The first thing to do is to log in into your Photopea account just like I have done here. Select a new project and then you'll be brought to the projects page. On this page, you can do whatever you want. And the next thing to do is to go to the top part of the screen where you can see the file icon and edit image etc. Go ahead and select file. When you select file, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, click on the open option and then you'll be taken to your device's files and select the files that you would want to resize and then to load. And then once the image has been displayed, you can now go ahead and resize it. Now this is the image. Now to resize this, you can start by cropping it by clicking on the crop option here. All right, then once you click on this, you can just play around this the way you want. All right, to resize it. Okay, and then once you are done cropping it, click on the tick icon on the top part of the screen. As you can see, the image has been resized. Another way is to go to the part of the screen. You can see a box showcasing fixed ratio. Yours might be free. All right, just click on it, and then once you click on it, you will see the options displayed: free, fixed ratio, fixed size. Just select the one that suits you, and size the image will be resized following that description. And then you can also work on the width and the height here by typing out the exact width you want. All right, and then the height as well. Just type it out. Then once you're done, click on tick icon. Just like that, the image will be resized. Very direct and simple. Go ahead and try it out now. Thanks for watching.